Morning, boys. Today we are going to see exercise 7.1 continuation, problem number 15. Here it's given A transpose a matrix given and B matrix given. They are asking to verify some equations. Here the given is A transpose is given. I am going to convert into A, that is 4 minus 1 2 5 0 3. So this is A matrix and B matrix is 2 minus 1 1 7 5 minus 2. Now the first question is A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So this what also equal to B transpose plus A transpose. So here I am about to verify this statement. Okay. First let me find out the value of A plus B transpose. So for that, first thing we have to add A plus B matrices. So A plus B equal to, add A plus B directly we can add, because we are very familiar to add subtraction, multiplication in matrices. So I am going to add directly A and B. So 4 plus 2, it is 6, minus 1, so minus 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 7 is 12, 0 plus 5, 5, 3 minus 2, 1. So this is A plus B. Next we have to find out A plus B transpose. So A plus B transpose. Here I am going to take transpose for this A plus B matrix. So 6, 12 will be the first row, minus 2, 5 will be the second row, 3, 1 will be the third row. Okay, this is one solution. So I am taking as 1. Next A transpose plus B transpose. See here, for that I am going to find out A transpose first, because A transpose already given in the question. 4 5 minus 1 0 2 3. Here directly we can apply, because it is easy. A transpose plus B transpose. Directly we can find out. Plus B transpose, take transpose for B. 2 7 minus 1 5 1 minus 2. So after that addition. 4 plus 2 6 12 minus 2 5 3 1. So this is another solution, it is 2. So two sides, left hand side and right hand side we have found out. Another one, B transpose plus A transpose also we have to find out. B transpose plus A transpose equal to B transpose 2 7 minus 1 5 1 minus 2 plus A transpose 4 5 minus 1 0 2 3. So if you add this, 6 12 minus 2 5 3 1. So this is 3. Look at 1 2 1 3. From 1 2 and 3, we can say all the three answers are 1 2 3 all are same. So given statement is verified. So A plus B transpose, A transpose plus B transpose equal to B transpose plus A transpose. Hence proved. Hence verified or hence proved. So with this problem number subdivision 1 over next statement is, second statement is A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Here I am going to prove LHS equal to RHS. So first let me take LHS side, A minus B. First we find out A minus B first. Directly we can subtract the matrices. 4 minus 2, 2. Minus 1, minus, here I am going to subtract this matrix and this matrix. In between we have a minus here. So when you multiply minus inside, this will be negative, plus, minus, 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 plus. Okay, here minus 4 minus 2, it is 2. Minus 1, here it is plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Next 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 7, it is minus 2. 0 minus 5, minus 5. 3, it will become a plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. This is A minus B. Now I am going to take transpose for A minus B. 2 minus 2, 0, minus 5, 1, 5. This is LHS side. Next, I am going to find out RHS side. RHS is A transpose minus B transpose is A transpose 4 minus 1, 2. Sorry, A transpose, no. So, just take transpose 4, 5, minus 1, 0, 2, 3. Minus of B transpose 2, 7, minus 1, 5, 1, minus 2. So, when you separate two matrices, 4 minus 2, it is 2. 5 minus 7, minus 2. 1 minus into minus plus, it will become plus, no. So, minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 minus 5, minus 5. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus into minus plus 5. So, this is RHS side. So, here LHS equal to RHS. Both answers are equal. So, we can say both are equal. LHS or RHS equal. Hence, proved. Here the third subdivision is given, that is A transpose of transpose equal to B. If you do this, you can get the answer. This is your practicing problem. You can do your own third subdivision. Next we can go for problem number 16. Problem number 16. Here question is, if A is a 3 cross 3 matrix and B is a matrix such that A transpose B and B A transpose are defined. What is the order of matrix B? So here given A transpose order given, this is 3 cross 4 order is given. Here B order we have to find out. So here I don't know what is that, so I am going to consider M cross N as a B order. So if we find out M value and N value, we can have it B order, matrix B order. Okay. Here we have given some defined proof, that is A transpose B is given, also B A transpose also defined. Okay. Here using this defined statements, we can find out M cross N. Okay. Now A transpose B. What is A transpose B? That is 3 cross 4 is A order. If you want to take transpose for A, order will be changed into 4 cross 3. B order is M cross N. Already I have taught you that these two values are same. By this we can find out m equal to 3. Already we have learnt these two values are same. So we can, when you have defined matrices like this m value and this m value will be same. So m is equal to 3. Next, here we know that m cross n, this is this one 4 cross 3, A transpose 4 cross 3, the same one. A transpose is defined. So these two values are equal. This n order and m order always equal. So by this we can find out n value is 4. Now we got the value of m and n. So B order is 3 cross 4. Matrix B order, matrix B order is 3 cross 4. So question number 16 over. Next we can go for question number 18. 17 you just wait. We will, after finishing problem number 18 and 19, we can see the 17th question. Okay, now because 17th problem is the next model, that before I will give you first the definitions and then I will teach you 17. Before that we will finish 18 and 19th question. Question number 18. Find the matrix such that, find the matrix A such that the given is 2, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 3, 4, A transpose equal to minus 1, minus 8, minus 10, 1, 2, minus 5, 9, 22, 15. So here they are asking to find out the matrix A. Here A transpose is given. I told you already. Already we have done like this problem. If you see that previous problems, you can remember this, how to do this problem. Anyway, once again I will teach you how to find out the value of A here. So here this is actually this is 3 cross 2. The order is 3 cross 2. We do not know the order of A transpose, so I am going to take m cross n equal to, this is 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3. Here I told you this is defined one, so these two values supposed to be equal. So m is equal to 2. M order m is 2. Next, this and this value supposed to be equal to this 2 value. So 3 is here, so n supposed to be 3. So by this we can able to find out the m value and n value. So A transpose equal to, this is 2 cross 3 matrices. 2 cross 3 matrices. So I am going to take A, B, C, D, E, F. So I am going to consider A transpose is A, B, C, D, E, F. So now apply this value here. 2, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 3, 4 into A transpose A, B, C, D, E, F equal to, right hand side 1, minus 1, minus 8, minus 10, 1, 2, minus 5, 9, 22, 15. So now multiplication, we know how to multiply two matrices, row and column. 2A minus D, then 2B minus E, then 2C minus F. equal to minus 1, minus 8, minus 10, 1, 2, minus 5, 9, 22, 15. Now, second row, first column, A plus 0 into D 0, B plus 0, C plus 0. Next, third row, first column, minus 3A plus 4D. Next, minus 3B plus 3B plus 4E. Next, minus 3C plus 4F. So how can you find out A, B, C? These two corresponding matrices are equal. So we can say that A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 5. Directly I can find out A is equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to minus 5. Next we have to find out A, B, C. We have found out D, E, F. D. How can we find out D? By taking this term, by equating this term, this element and this element. That is 2A minus D equal to minus 1. A is 1. If you apply A is 1, 2 into 1, 2, D equal to minus 1. So minus D, if you bring this side, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus minus cancel, D is equal to 3. Now E. So for that I am going to equating the 2B minus E equal to minus 8. 2 into B, 2 minus E equal to minus 8. 4 minus E equal to, this is 4, minus, if you bring this side, minus 4, so minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. If you cancel this, you will get E is equal to 12. Next, for F, I am going to equating these two elements. 2C minus F equal to minus 10. 2C is minus 5 minus F equal to minus 10. Minus 10 minus F equal to minus 10. Minus F equal to, if you bring this side, plus 10, minus 10, 0. So F is equal to 0. Now I got all the values. Now I am going to apply it in the A transpose matrices. A transpose equal to, what is A value? 1, 2, minus 5, 3, 12, 0. So this is the A transpose value. Actually they are asking to find out A matrix A. Matrix A. So how will you get matrix A from the A transpose? So if you take once again transpose for this A transpose, it will be A. I mean A transpose, taking transpose again, that will be A. This is important solution. So if you take a transpose for any A transpose, B transpose, again you will get the same matrices. Now A transpose, sorry, A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 12, minus 5, 0. So this is the value of A. Question number 18 over. Next question number 19. Question number 19. If A given 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, x 2 y, such that the condition is given A transpose equal to 9i, find the value of x and y. So this is the question. So here we have to find out the value of x and y. For that we can use this condition. So for that condition I am going to apply the values in this condition. A value is 1, 2, 2, 2 1 minus 2 x 2 y into A transpose. Taking transpose for this one, 1 2 x 2 1 2 2 minus 2 y equal to 9 into I. What is the identity element for 3 cross 3 matrix? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. If you multiply with 9, it will become directly, I can write 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. After that, how can we find out? So first I am going to multiply these two matrices and make it 1. Then we can equating both matrices, taking corresponding elements, we can get the value of x and y. So for that, first I am going to multiply the values of, multiplying the left hand side matrices. So here, left hand side, first row and column. So what will come? 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 4. First row, second column. 2 plus 2 minus 4. Next, first row, third column. X plus 4 plus 2y. 4 plus 2y. Next, second row, first column. 2 plus 2 minus 4. 2 plus 2 minus 4. Next, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, minus into minus plus 4. 2x plus 2 minus 2y. Next, x plus 2 into 2, 4 plus y, sorry 2y. X plus, third row on first column, x plus 2 to 4 2y plus, next for third row second column, 2x plus 2 minus 2y. Next, third row third column, x square plus 4 plus y square equal to 900 090 009. Now simplify once again the left hand side. 8 1 9 9, this is 0, this is x plus 2y plus 4. Second one, this is 0 9 2x minus 2y plus 2. Here x plus 2y plus 4. Here 2x minus 2y plus 2. Third element, x square plus y square plus 4 equal to 900 090 009. Now equating corresponding elements. First I am going to equating these two, these two elements, x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Next, these two elements, 2x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. If you add these two, automatically elimination method, normally the elimination method, it will be cancelled. 3x plus 6 equal to 0, 3x equal to minus 6, x equal to minus 2. Value of x equal to minus 2. Now how to find out y value? To apply here, x is minus 2 plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. 2y minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 0. 2y equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 by 2, it is minus 1. So x value minus 2, y value minus 1. So question number 19 over. So by this problem number 19 over, the remaining problems we will see in the next class. Thank you.